Hey there, welcome to GemIIToys. Here we are once again. This time I have for you the 4K footage of the Harley Quinn figures as promised. Now, these two figures, I'm not the biggest fan of them because of the unsightly joints, so I personally won't be purchasing these, but I must say the head sculpt looks really good, and the outfit also, just like the movie which I actually saw recently. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. Enjoy the path of collecting, and I'll catch you guys next time.